Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you the best way to reset your template in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log into my account. Since there is no reset button to reset your template in Squarespace, the best thing you can do to reset your template is to go to your page style or site styles panel and go to fonts, for example, and reset your fonts editing, for example. Are you sure to want to reset this font back to default settings? Yes, reset. Same thing you can repeat with the buttons. You can reset the buttons style. Are you sure you want to reset all styles for the selected button type? Yes. For the buttons, you need to select all of these tiers or types of buttons or levels of your buttons on your website and reset them just like that. As you can see, the editing or the style return to the default setting. Let's see if there is. For forms, there is no reset option. For reset to default. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Unfortunately, there is no reset button to reset all of your template, including its content, but this is the best you can do. Now, to reset the content or the pages of your website, exit this editing mode, go to pages, and you can, let's say that I want to delete this drop down menu, just select it like that and hit this trash bin. Click on confirm. I think it's deleted. I spammed the delete link, so there was an error there. Same thing with this new page. Click on it, hit the trash bin and confirm. Same thing here for the styles of the lock screen. You can reset styles to default, just like that. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.